This week, a major celebrity has completely transformed their public image, leaving fans buzzing with speculation. After a series of dramatic posts on social media, the star's mysterious new direction has sparked wild fan theories about their motivations. Are they gearing up for a comeback after a backlash, or is it a clever publicity stunt? Industry insiders are divided, speculating that this shift may have ripple effects on their future projects and collaborations. Meanwhile, fans are debating online, with some praising the bold change, while others question the sincerity behind it all. Stay tuned to see how this shocking evolution will impact Hollywood.